Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Menopause is definitely an unpleasant phase to go through, but it is something no one can change, and women, eventually, need to confront it. It brings a series of unpleasant symptoms, out of which hot flashes can easily be named as the most uncomfortable ones. 70% of women are experiencing them. Irritability is a symptom, and this often leads to a more upsetting condition, insomnia. Hormone therapy and medical remedies work by suppressing them, but there are also some vitamins you should be taking to make the whole process a lot easier. Vitamin E. There is a pronounced relationship between menopause and this vitamin. Women who consume 800 of vitamin E a day manage to calm down hot flashes. Some experts consider that more than 400 per day can be dangerous. However, it takes about 6 weeks to notice the results. Vitamin B6. B6 is an antioxidant and offers a powerful relief to the women who are in their menopause phase. Vitamin B6 has a direct effect on the nervous system, so the dosage should not exceed 300 mg per day. An overdose can damage your nerves. You can find it in bananas, spinach or avocados. Vitamin C. It has a powerful effect on your skin. If you consume the requested amount of vitamin C during your menopause, you will regain the elasticity of your skin. Plus, it will also boost your immune system, tone down hot flashes and provide the necessary moisture to your vaginal walls. Calcium. The loss of bones is definitely a symptom of menopause, but it is that type of symptom that takes years to be felt. A woman at menopause should consume 1,200 mg of calcium every day. Calcium citrate is much easier to be absorbed by the body. Older women can consume this version of calcium in combination with vitamin D. The dosage should be 400 mg of vitamin D a day. Multiple vitamins. You can also consume tablets containing a multitude of vitamins. They can be found at the nearest pharmacy and they are specially designed for menopausal women. Multiple vitamins contains B vitamins, calcium and vitamin E. Magnesium can also be found in here as it is able to treat mood swings, anxiety or irritability. These tablets should be taken for at least 3 months, in order to feel relief or to eliminate menopausal symptoms completely. Vitamin B9. Vitamin B9 can increase the production of hormones which help reduce depression and stress in women, enabling them to deal better with the symptoms of menopause. It can be obtained naturally from food sources such as dark leafy greens, sunflower seeds, liver, beans, asparagus, and peanuts. Besides the medication prescribed to you by your doctor, you should also take these vitamins and make sure that this combination has the effects you are aiming for.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page. www.facebook.com, Health Info Zone. Follow us on Twitter at Health Info Talk 1.